Looking for an AI-powered business solution to streamline your operations? Freshworks offers a suite of tools designed to enhance customer engagement, sales, and IT support. But is it worth your investment? Let's dive in. Key features and main tabs. Freshdesk Customer Support. Need to improve your customer service? Freshdesk provides AI-driven automation, chatbot integration, and ticketing management to simplify customer interactions. Fresh Sales CRM and sales automation. For sales teams, Fresh Sales offers AI-driven lead scoring, email tracking, and workflow automation to close deals faster. Fresh Chat messaging and chatbots. Engage with customers in real time using Freshchat's AI-powered chatbot and multi-channel messaging tools. Fresh Service IT Service Management. Streamline IT support with Fresh Service, an AI-driven ITSM tool that automates service requests and incident management. Fresh Marketer Marketing Automation. Optimize campaigns with Fresh Marketer's AI-powered email marketing, customer segmentation, and website analytics. Pricing. Freshworks offers flexible pricing with free trials for most products. Plans start as low as $15 per user per month, with enterprise plans reaching up to $95 per user per month, depending on the features you need. Pros and cons. Pros. AI-powered automation enhances efficiency. User-friendly interface with easy setup. Affordable pricing with a free trial. Strong integration with third-party tools. Cons. Some advanced features locked behind higher-tier plans. AI chatbot may require fine-tuning for better responses. Customer support can be slow during peak times. So, is Freshworks worth it? If you're a small to mid-sized business looking for AI-driven efficiency in customer support, sales, or IT management, then absolutely. The affordability, ease of use, and automation features make it a great investment. However, for enterprises needing deep customization, you might need to explore higher-tier plans or alternatives. Want to try it yourself? Check out Freshworks and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.